Collectively, these two artists have over 2 billion views on YouTube. I'm talking about Punjabi sensation Guru Randhawa and breakout singing star Dhvani Bhanushali. They first joined hands for the chart topper Ishare Tere, which has nearly 500 million views, and now they're back with another banger called Baby Girl, directed by Remo D'Souza.
Now, Guru Paji, I want to start by talking with you about composing the music also. Just tell me about creating this song in general with Dhvani after Ishare Tere and how that process was for you.
We were all stuck at our homes because of the pandemic, and then suddenly we came up with this hook line, Baby Girl, Hoke Ni Tayar, Jalli Kar To Bahar and stuff. And then I thought of having a female, because the time I recorded it, I was recording myself as a female as well. I recorded myself with the vocals, but then we had great Dhvani Bhanushali from T-Series family with us always.
Clearly, you've been staying busy. Even now, you're on the move, driving and working and taking interview. Are you heading to work?
I'm just going to see one of my friends right now. So that's why I'm in car. Otherwise, I would have been at the hotel and talking to you. But sorry for that. But I think I'm giving a good view.
Yeah, no worries. Now, Dhvani, what was it like for you to get back into the studio, back on set with Guru?
From my perspective, I think I was really happy that Guru kind of thought that, I was good for the song and I could pull it off. And he sent the track to me in lockdown, and then I dubbed it and I sent it back to him. And, it kind of all worked together really well. And then we were in Goa in no time. And Remo sir had agreed to kind of direct this video. And that was, I think, a blessing for me.
And Guru Paji, what do you have to say about Dhvani as a singer, her vocals? What's that one special quality about her that you think really takes her to the next level?
I think she's got a great texture, and she can sing whatever song she's given. My parents asked me that she knows how to speak Punjabi or no. I said no, she doesn't know how to speak Punjabi, but still she's given the vocals like a proper Punjabi girl, and I think that's the best quality in her. I'm wearing a mask because cops are outside. I'm on the road, so I don't want to get caught.
नहीं, ये सिर्फ दिल्ली में होता है, बॉम्बे में रूल नहीं है.
अच्छा.
हाँ, निकाल दो.
Seriously?
हाँ. नहीं पकड़ेगा, मैं दे दूंगी चलान, नहीं तो.
अरे it's not about चलान, it's about the online बेइज्जती.
मेरे यार भी कर दे मैनू टिचरानी तेरी मेरी गल बनाती मेरे बेलियां ने.
Dhvani, what would you say is that one standout feature about Guru Paji that makes him the amazing artist he is?
He's a complete package, I feel like plus he has everything, little bit of everything in him. And the fact that he can also compose and write and sing that particular the songs that he makes, and
act. About my acting.
So and dance. So there's nothing that Guru can't do.
My dance.
And it's
and my smile.
And your smile, and you're very charming.
तू एक बारी कर दे हाँ देखी पा दूंगा झटका दे दे दिल दे विच जगह मम्मी डैडी लऊं मना.
Now, you guys talked about working with Remo sir too. I'm sure that working with him, the dancing aspect was a bit more than usual. What was that process like for you guys to be working with a legend like Remo sir?
I think for me it's a great opportunity because whosoever I've met in my life, I always learn special things from them, positive things from them. And Remo sir, at this stage of his life, he's given so many super duper hit films, and he's done great job. But he's still down to earth, and I think that's the best quality. Very
He's
nice.
really amazing, genuinely. It was very kind of him to do this video for us, and I think we'll always be grateful.
baby girl, baby girl.
Tell me a little bit about the shoot experience. You said you shot this during lockdown, you guys went to Goa and
Shooting was very comfortable for us because in Goa is in green zone right now, and it's easy to shoot there. So that's why we went there.
It was just the only thing that bothered was it was really hot, and I was literally like dripping with sweat because I really can't stay in like extreme climates.
Are you okay now? You're
So-
good now?
No, I'm okay.
what did you guys do for the safety protocols there? Was it interesting shooting in this whole pandemic experience?
We didn't follow the safety precautions. Me and Dhwani, because if we will wear a mask, then nobody can shoot us, right? Everybody else on set, we took all the precautions as per a government guideline, and everybody was sanitizing their hands after every 5 minutes, and then
Everyone was masked up also.
it was after 6 months I was working, and I was very happy for that, and I feel blessed that T-Series has given me and Dhwani chance to do a music video in such tough times, and we have tried to make a video which is very happy vibe, so that whosoever watches it should bring smile on their faces.
Baby girl, baby, baby girl.
So speaking of the lockdown, how has it been for you guys? Dhwani, what have you been doing to keep yourself busy, and just how have you been making it through this pandemic?
I've just been focusing on my classes. My vocal coach used to take classes for me. Then my VR sessions were on. So that section was taken care of. I was not wasting time. I was sleeping a lot. I was spending time with my family.
And Gurubaji, what about you? I'm sure that it must be pretty taxing for a creative individual who's so used to traveling, performing, and all that. So what have you been doing for yourself throughout this time?
In last 5 years, this was first time that I was home for more than 5 days, and 5 days turned up like it changes to 6 months, 7 months. Now I'm home since 7 months, and I was not wasting my time, but in a productive way. I utilized it for my body or for the gym I did. Now I look the best. There's nobody like me in the whole world. 7 billion people, only one Guru Randava.
So both of you guys have set your own records on YouTube with your amazing hits. So when you're working with new music, do you guys feel this pressure to live up to certain expectations? Dhwani, we can start with you.
I don't think I take so much stress about pressure and stuff like that, because every song is a new journey, and you have to show. And every song is a different story, so I don't think that I want to take stress about. अच्छा ये गाना बहुत अच्छा चला तो ये भी इतना ही चलना चाहिए और मेरे को इसी के हिसाब से उसको करना पड़ेगा. वो स्ट्रेस लोगे तो वो कभी नहीं बनेगा. So it's better to like keep moving on from one song to another.
I think there is always always a pressure on artists' mind. The pressure to prove yourself again, the pressure to make sure your songs are being played out there, the pressure to bring smile on people's face, the
But
pressure.
that's not
to
pressure. That's kind of your job, like as an artist.
No, you know what? A job as an artist is to just make songs. But the
Yeah.
pressure
But
drives you
सोचना
somewhere.
क्यों है इतना सब?
So I have nothing else to do, so let me take some pressure. let me take some amount of pressure so that I end up making great songs for everybody, whosoever has supported me and whosoever is gonna support me in future. It's every song.
You're taking positive pressure that everyone takes.
Yeah, it's a positive pressure.
Yeah, थोड़ा सा pressure तो चाहिए होता है. You perform.
थोड़ा
See,
pressure
see.
तो मैं भी लेती हूँ, ऐसा नहीं है.
Yeah,
I was talking
because
about
then
negative things in your
if
head.
there's no pressure, then there's no maza. That's what I feel.
ਅੱਖੀਆਂ ਚ ਪਾ ਕੇ ਨੀ ਤੂੰ ਸੁਰਮਾ ਸੁਰਮਾ ਸਿੱਖਿਆ ਤੂੰ ਦੱਸ ਕਿੱਥੋਂ ਤੁਰਨਾ ਤੁਰਨਾ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਸੂਟ ਤੂੰ ਪਾਇਆ ਆ ਸਭ ਪੁੱਛਦੇ ਨੇ ਕਿੱਥੋਂ ਮਿਲਦਾ ਆ ਕਾਲੀ ਤੇਰੀ ਗੁੱਤ ਗੋਲ ਮੋੜ ਲੱਗ ਹਿਲਦਾ ਆ ਦੇਖ ਦੇਖ ਹੋਈ ਜਾਂਦਾ ਹਾਲ ਬੁਰਾ ਦਿਲ ਦਾ ਆ ਆਓ ਕਾਲੀ ਤੇਰੀ ਗੁੱਤ ਗੋਲ ਮੋੜ ਲੱਗ ਹਿਲਦਾ ਆ ਦੇਖ ਦੇਖ ਹੋਈ ਜਾਂਦਾ ਹਾਲ ਬੁਰਾ ਦਿਲ ਦਾ ਆ ਕਾਲੀ ਤੇਰੀ ਗੁੱਤ ਗੋਲ ਮੋੜ ਲੱਗ ਹਿਲਦਾ ਆ
There should be something in your head always, which should drive you to another level, to a different world. Because as a lyricist, I have to create a new world to write something. As a composer, I have to create a new world. I have to enter somebody else's world to create something my way.
ਨੀ ਹਾਏ ਨਖਰਾ ਤੇਰਾ ਨੀ ਹਾਈ ਰੇਟਡ ਗੱਭਰੂ ਨੂੰ ਮਾਰੇ ਹਾਈ ਨੀ ਮੁੰਡੇ ਪਾਗਲ ਹੋ ਗਏ ਨੇ ਤੇਰੇ ਗਿਣ ਗਿਣ ਲੱਗਦੇ ਹੁਲਾਰੇ
Tell me a little bit about the kind of feedback that you guys have heard from this song. It's going amazingly well, so just curious about what you two have heard.
It's good. Everybody's loving it. Kids are loving it. Families are loving it. Boys and girls are loving it. Uncle and aunties are loving it. Grandfather, grandmothers are loving it. Dads and moms are loving it.
Everybody's loving it. And I love the videos that the kids are making, and I love the dance videos that these young boys girls are making, and they're using this step that Guru is doing right now. And overall, everything about the video and the song has been loved. He's just gonna keep
Really going into it.
इशारे तेरे कंगने दे बेबी
ਹੋ ਕੇ ਨੀ ਤਿਆਰ ਕਿੱਥੇ ਚੱਲੀ ਘਰ ਤੋਂ ਬਾਹਰ ਤੈਨੂੰ ਕੀ ਦਾ ਇੰਤਜ਼ਾਰ ਬੇਬੀ ਗਰਲ ਬੇਬੀ ਗਰਲ
So we talked a little bit already about how Guru Paji is the full package. Do you guys think that nowadays singers have to kind of embody that full package?
It's the audio that works worldwide. If you pick worldwide artists, there are I think 8 to 10 artists who can dance and act and do whatever, but the rest of them, they just make sure this song is a hit song. The
And
MTV
that's
is
the
a hit
key.
song.
I mean, if the song is not good, what are you going to do with the rest of it?
Yeah, you can't just dance like Gangnam Style, and one song hit. Otherwise, people don't know who you are.
ਲੱਗਦੀ ਲਾਹੌਰ ਦੀ ਆ ਜਿਸ ਹਿਸਾਬ ਨਾਲ ਹੱਸਦੀ ਆ ਉਹ ਲੱਗਦੀ ਪੰਜਾਬ ਦੀ ਆ ਜਿਸ ਹਿਸਾਬ ਨਾਲ ਤੱਕਦੀ ਆ ਦਿੱਲੀ ਦਾ ਨਖਰਾ ਆ
What's the one part of the job that you guys maybe don't look forward to? हर काम में कुछ ना कुछ होता है ना that you don't love maybe every aspect. Promotion.
Just kidding, I'm kidding.
I
We love you
love
guys.
promoting
I do,
my-
I love
doing it.
promotion.
Bunny, you have said
but
it.
just that
You
it's
don't,
really
so please
hectic
don't change your
sometimes.
words. No, you have said you don't change your words. Okay, you have said I love promoting my song.
Wasn't
love
I on time
you-
today?
interacting.
Wasn't I on
inter-
time? I'm always on time.
interacting
I
with
never waste time of you
with
guys.
the interacting with the RJs who plays our song, interacting with the people from the media, interacting with some special friends from Michigan, and I just love giving interviews. It's such fun, and because most important is the time. Agar if somebody is giving you your time, you should give them your time back. So I just love it. But yes,
Yeah.
the question was what you don't like, right?
Ji.
Yeah.
I don't.
I think
like
the
when
time in
there is-
between the song is going to release and the time, like, you know, once it's made, you just want it to get out.
That
I think that's the
anticipation
time
period. Yeah.
I don't dislike it, but I'm just like really nervous and really that ये हो
I
जाना
don't
चाहिए,
like-
बाहर आ जाना।
I don't like when there is extra mirch in dal on the set. I don't like that.
Extra mirch.
In dal, yeah. When,
मुझे भी मिर्ची पसंद नहीं है
पर
यार।
हमको दाल तो मिली नहीं गोवा में।
इशारे तेरे कंगने दे तरीके दिल मंगने दे मेरा भी दिल चोरी कीता फैन तेरा बन गया ये इशारे तेरे कंगने दे तरीके दिल मंगने दे मेरा भी दिल चोरी कीता फैन तेरा बन गया ये
We talked a little bit about the reactions and we talked about the positive reactions. लेकिन कहीं ना कहीं हमेशा there's always those trolls, not those negative people. How do you guys approach that? How do you develop your thick skin when you're working in this industry?
when you have adopted a profession where you will be seen by the public, where you will be commented by the public, so you should be ready for whatever they say, because it's their world. The way we create our song according to our world, sometimes we don't fit to somebody else's world as an artist as well. So if they say, if they comment, if they do funny stuff, or if they say this is not a good song, that's all acceptable.
Like he said, you know, I feel like opinions are subjective in a way. So a few people might like me, a few people might not like me, and if I focus on the fact that, you know, people are not liking me, I will lose out on the people that are actually liking me.
No,
So
but
might as
again,
well-
you can work more harder. The people
But
who are
that's what I was
liking
getting
you,
at.
will support you, and then who are not liking you, you should work for them, and that's the big success. The day you will make one non-liking people to a liking people for you, and that is a success for you.
Baby